Hello, I'm Robert Lunte from CourseCREEK, and my partners here at Oh My God Studios Boise, Steph and Carrie and myself, just finished producing several videos that I created for LinkedIn, but I would be remiss if I didn't turn around and show you the beautiful facilities. Now, right off the bat, you'll notice that we have what we call infinity wall. When you stand in this wall, light does not reflect off the 45-degree angles, and it sort of looks like you're in a whitewashed cloud, or you're in infinity. You're floating in infinity. These kinds of walls and environments are not cheap, and they're difficult to build, and it's rare to have this background. The other thing that's great about this is the gear. These cameras that I'm been in front of all day long. And Carrie, if you could just brag a little bit about your gear and just tell us what we got there.
We were working on a Sony FX9, which is a 6K camera. And then we also have our small cinema camera, which is the Canon C70, really powerful image capture.
Fantastic, that's great. And one thing I like about this studio is the audio is outstanding. They use Sennheiser, so all of the lavs and the mics are Sennheiser, guaranteed good sound. And in some regards, the audio and the sound when you're doing video shoot is more tricky and more difficult than the video. You might think the video is more tricky because it's sexier, you can see it, you can connect with it maybe a little bit better, but it's really the audio that tends to create problems if there is going to be one, but not here. This studio is in Boise, so if you want to do a shoot with us, you can just fly straight in, get out quickly. And Carrie and Steph, they've been doing this for years, true professionals. And it's not only just point and shoot camera guy. You don't want that. You want somebody that has experience enough to just direct a little bit and produce a little bit, to say, hey, you got hair in your eyes. Hey, you need to, your fly's down or something. And you need people that care enough to not just shoot and get content, but to help you to get the best out of what you can do. So anyways, I have to brag about this. If you're working with CourseCREEK, or you're working with a course and you're looking for a video shoot, contact us and we'll put you in touch with Steph and Carrie. Thank you.